The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max come with a brand new design and a more advanced camera setup, along with enough changes to reaffirm their status as Apple's premium phones. But the cost is getting a Pro just went up, even if you are getting more storage as part of the deal. I have been covering all the iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max leaks leading up to Apple's all-dropping event, and this is one of those rare times when I wasn't surprised by the announcements. That's because the leaks left nothing to the imagination, but despite this, the new Pro models from Apple established themselves as solid best phone contenders given their upgrades. After spending some time with both phones, I have a better appreciation for them, and with good reason. In my iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max hands-on, I'll tell you everything new about the new models and what stood out most. From their two-toned design to their new 48-megapixel telephoto camera and their prices, there is a lot to unpack here apart from the size differences of the two Pro handsets. While Apple did spend a fair amount of time with their hardware changes, there's one particular iPhone 17 Pro area that Apple didn't touch up on, in contrast to past events. At $1,099 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1,199 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has held the line on pricing. Sort of like I mentioned earlier, the iPhone 17 Pro is $100 more, but you get 256GB storage to start, matching the base capacity of the Pro Max. Between the two, I would put my money on the iPhone 17 Pro Max because of its larger display and likely longer battery life, all while being only $100 more to pick up. The Pro looks almost cute by comparison, but it is certainly capable for a phone of its size.